List of different types of fabrics with names. Textile Infomedia provide you some of leading fabrics names list which can be useful for understanding all fabric names. Fabric is a product of the textile industry made by creating an interlocking network of threads or yarn. Fabrics that are used for garments and clothing are interlocked by knitting or weaving the yarns together. Denim fabric. Denim is widely used and probably the most manufactured and utilized fabric in the world. Digital printed fabric. Digital textile printing uses digital technology such as printers to print patterns on textiles. Jacquard fabric. Jacquard is a fabric with highly detailed and precise weaving patterns. Viscose fabric. Viscose is a semi-synthetic rayon fabric made from wood pulp and is used as a substitute for silk. Khadi fabric. Khadi, also known as khadr, is a hand-woven natural fabric made primarily with cotton. Embroidered fabric. Embroidery is the art of embellishing fabrics with the use of needles and applying them to yarn. Dyed fabric is the process of applying dyes or pigments to a textile material such as fibers, yarns, or fabrics to change its color. Satin fabric. Satin is a soft and shiny fabric with a lustrous surface on one side and a dull surface on the other. Organza fabric. Organza is a lightweight, sheer, plain woven fabric that is characterized by the small holes going throughout it. Silk fabric. Silk is a natural fiber that is produced by the silkworm and is known for its luster and softness. Taffeta fabric. Taffeta is a plain woven fabric made mostly from silk but can also be made with other synthetic fibers. Crepe fabric. Crepe is a light to medium weight fabric that is made of silk, wool, or synthetic fiber. Georgette fabric. Georgette is a type of crepe fabric that is woven using yarns which are tightly twisted yarns. Linen fabric. Linen fabric is a strong, extremely absorbing, breathable, and lightweight fabric derived from the flax plant. Canvas fabric. It is a sturdy and heavy-duty fabric made with heavy cotton yarn with linen yarn added occasionally. Kashmiri fabric. It is a wool-type fabric made with Kashmiri goats. The fibers used in Kashmiri fabric are fine and smooth, hence often leading to the comparison. Chenille fabric. Chenille is fiber as well as yarn, which makes it a soft material. The threads, when making chenille, are purposefully piled up. Chiffon fabric. It is a lightweight fabric that has a slight amount of shine to it. Chiffon is a plain woven fabric and has small puckers created by S and Z twists. Cotton fabric. Cotton is derived from the natural fibers of cotton plants and is considered to be a staple fiber. This means that it is composed of different varying lengths of fiber. Damask fabric. It is a type of fabric in which the pattern is woven into the fabric rather than being printed on it. The design is created by a combination of two weaving techniques. Gingham fabric. Gingham is cotton or sometimes a cotton blended fabric made with dyed yarn which is woven with a plain weave. This process results in checked patterns which can be made in various sizes. Jersey fabric. Jersey is a soft, stretchable fabric that was originally made from wool. However, At the present time, it is also made from cotton, its blends, and synthetic fibers. Lace fabric. Lace is a delicate fiber that was originally made from silk and linen, but today cotton, thread, and synthetic fibers are also commonly used. Leather fabric. Leather is an animal-based textile and is derived from their skin. Different types of animal skins require different treatments. Merino wool fabric. This fabric is a type of wool that is derived from the fur coat of merino sheep. Unlike regular wool, which causes itchiness, merino wool is well known to be the softest form of wool. Modal fabric. It is a semi-synthetic fiber that is made from the pulp of a beech tree. Modal is another form of rayon, but is more durable and flexible. Muslin fabric. Muslin is a loosely woven cotton fabric that is made using the plain web method. Polyester fabric. It is a synthetic fiber that is created from petrochemicals such as coal and petroleum. Polyester is considered to be a durable material but is not breathable. Spandex fabric. Spandex is a synthetic fiber and is commonly known as lycra. This fabric is known for its extreme elasticity. Suede fabric. Suede is a type of leather that is made from the underside of the animal skin, which gives it a soft surface. Tweed fabric. Tweed is a wool-made fabric that is rough in nature. It can be woven using plain weave or twill weave. Tweed is known to be thick and stiff and is an extremely warm fiber. Twill fabric. Twill is a weaving technique and is one of the three major weaving techniques in the textile industry, apart from plain weave and satin weave. List of fabric names for textile. Handloom fabric, lycra fabric, synthetic fabric, frieze fabric, organza fabric, flannel fabric, batik fabric, minke fabric, quilt fabric, canvas fabric, recycled fabric, eco-friendly fabric, functional fabric, outdoor fabric, carbon fiber fabric, industrial fabric, aramid fabric, metallic fabric, woolen fabric, mattress fabric, crepe fabric, dyed fabric, linen fabric, furnishing fabric, tricot fabric, tarpaulin fabric, acrylic fabric, blended fabric, cambric fabric, organdy fabric, fur fabric, duck fabric, heat-proof fabric, hemp fabric, lace fabric, muslin fabric. List of fabric names for textile. Oxford fabric, Peak fabric, Ramier fabric, Rascal fabric, ripstop fabric, spunbond fabric, spunlace, non-woven fabric, suede fabric, tapestry fabric, tencel fabric, terry fabric, thermal fabric. Tweed fabric, ultrasonic non-woven fabric, velveteen fabric, vinyl fabric, voile fabric, waterproof fabric, breathable fabric, worsted fabric, tissue fabric, flock fabric, microfiber fabric, grey fabric.
Visit now www.textileinfomedia.com. Call on 971 297 2400.